we have given that line K bisects the segment. It means that segment AB now is congruent to segment BC because line K bisects the segment. It means divide this segment AC to two segments and they had the same length. So we can write now that segment IB is congruent to segment BC. So it means that length of AB is equal to length of BC. And we need to find the length of AC if length of AB is equal 3/4 inch. We can write equation that AC is equal AB plus BC. What else? Because the length of AB is equal to length of BC, so we can write that AC is equal, because we have given that the length of AB is equal 3/4, so we will substitute length of BC by AB, so we will have AB plus BC is equal AB. So we have now that AC is equal to times AB, because we have AB plus AB. And what else we have? That AB we have given is equal 3/4. So we can write that this is equal 2 times 3/4 inches. So this is equal, we can reduce 2 and 4 will be 2. So we have that length of AC is equal 3/2 inches. So we solved the problem.